Let's get started with Zapworks. First, I search for Zapper. To try some Zapcodes, I would go in Showcase and find anything such as this. See this Zap. So this page shows Angry Bird Showcase. This is a code that we need to scan. To scan this Zapcode, you need the Zapper app. So you have to go to your iTunes or Google Play and find Zapper with this icon and download the app. And when you open it, it will ask you to give permission to access your camera. You should allow permission to access the camera because it will scan using the camera. Once you're set up, you'll be able to scan this Zapcode and see an augmented reality right away.